If you have acne, blemishes, zits, and pimples, this is a product for you. It's called Dots for Spots, and I absolutely love it. And it's made for both women and men too. It's also great for teens as well as adults. And it's just a wonderful product, and it's also translucent too. You hardly even see when it's on your face, and it just works wonderfully. All you have to do is clean your face and put this product on. And it can last for 6 hours, even overnight. And then all you have to do is take it off once it turns white, and then you can reapply a new one on, or you're good to go. So let me show you a close-up of what this looks like. So you get these in this closed packet, and all you have to do is open it up, just like that. Then you have these dots, and to open it, you tear in that middle area, and it pops it open just like that. You can hardly even see it. After you pull it off, all you have to do is apply it to your pimple, and then hold it down for a few seconds. And you're good to go. You can hardly see it's there. You can wear this on a date, to school, to work, but they prefer that you put it on overnight. And it's just so easy to use. And it's also paraben-free, as well as free of fragrances and alcohol too. It has hydrocolloid in it. And it's safe and gentle to use for all different skin types. Oily, dry, or combination skin too. Another nice feature of this is it covers your pimple and it keeps you from touching it and picking at it too, which also causes more irritation. I was sent these from Dots for Spots to evaluate, and I absolutely love them. And I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.